Unlock your Canon EOS R5's full potential by keeping its firmware up to date, a crucial step for optimal performance and accessing new features. First, head to the official Canon support website and navigate to the EOS R5 firmware download section. Carefully read and accept the terms of the license agreement, then proceed to download the latest firmware file. Once downloaded, locate the firmware file, typically a disk image or a zipped folder, and transfer it directly to the root directory of a freshly formatted SD card. With the firmware file on the card, power down your EOS R5 and insert the prepared SD card into the camera's primary card slot. Now, power on your camera and ensure the mode dial is set to a standard shooting mode, like program or aperture priority, not video or a custom setting. Access the camera's menu, scroll through the settings until you find the firmware or firmware version option, usually located in the wrench or setup menu. Select the firmware update option and confirm your intention to proceed with the update. The camera will display a progress bar. Allow the update process to complete without interruption. Do not power off the camera or remove the battery or SD card during this critical stage. Once the update is finished, the camera will indicate completion. Power off your R5, then remove the SD card and power it back on. Finally, navigate back to the firmware information in the menu to verify that the new firmware version has been successfully installed, confirming your R5 is now up to date.